Universe, characterized as Blockchain 3.0, as a quickly developing biological system comprising of interconnected applications and administrations made for a decentralized future. The environment compromises a one-of-a-kind mix of savvy contract usefulness with an extremely free from any potential harm means of exchanging and exchange with practically no contribution of middle people. Its hyperblocks auxiliary runs the validators that assistance in its security. The organization utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure (ABST) agreement model to approve exchanges. Universe Center Point likewise lives inside Cosmos Hub, and Cosmos is a token to it. Then again, Atom tokens are utilized for security purposes. The essential focal point of Cosmos is its programmability, and its middle stage is the blockchain calculation. Thus, it permits the advantage through a computerized cash viewpoint to clients, and furthermore gives commercial center exchanges, for example, monetary applications, games, and different administrations, which can be based on the stage. Moreover, through its worldwide extension, it gives an organization of countless clients and dApps, decentralized applications, and progressing improvements and overhauls. Universe, Atom, fundamental analysis. Particle clients can send and get installment in any type, willingly utilizing savvy contracts, as Atom can change over various kinds and chains of crypto resources. Its multifunctional attributes permit different useful utilizations of existing security applications for information trade and exchanges. It gives total openness in numerous layer arrangements and supports the working of various application stages on itself for an agreeable encounter. Alongside a normalized instrument of versatility, Atom has a critical component of exchanging various types of tokens through decentralized trades. The stage's highlights, made particularly for versatile applications and designers' units, are extremely steady and well disposed to clients and have an autonomous calculation. It likewise has the limit with regards to a plenty to be posted on Atom's sidechain. Designers of Cosmos needed to fabricate another age of blockchain innovation, and clients can go along with it as a quick arising token economy that is based on a steady and secure groundwork. Clients can make a decentralized money application, trade, or commercial center that can permit anybody to purchase, sell, contribute, and loan without a financial balance. The stage likewise engages the local area in getting sorted out and conveying assets among its individuals. It likewise gives them the option to decide in favor. Universe Network has numerous center points, and a POS blockchain called Cosmos Hub comprises of one of these centers. IOTA local token is expected by any validator in the POS agreement component to partake in the approval cycle. Thus, the Symbolic's key object is to give food and security to the Cosmos Hub organization. Other significant purposes incorporate spam avoidance, marking, and administration. The token plays a critical part in the elements of Cosmos. It makes the organization stronger and hardy. The holder can cast a ballot involving it, as well as distribute their entitlement to decide in favor of procuring rewards. With a new interchain security highlight, the Symbolic can likewise acquire additional marking awards by getting a few chains. Clients can set the cutting-edge decentralized trade and trade computerized resources across chains. As the Atom token is utilized as a charge during exchanges, the more energy is utilized during exchanges, and the more will be the exchange expense. Consequently, the organization charge forestalls inefficient organization use and saves from spamming. The marking system builds the general security of the organization while giving an open door to clients to acquire rewards. As the expense of going after the organization is straightforwardly corresponding to the quantity of collateralized Atom tokens, the organization security is additionally expanded. Furthermore, the holders of Atom tokens reserve the option to decide in favor of changes and improvement in the convention on proposition with their marked atoms. Universe accomplishments. Universe has not distributed a new guide yet its underlying plans have been satisfied till now. As a matter of some importance, Jay Kwan and Ethan Butchman, the prime supporters of Tendermint, delivered a white paper Universe. a network of distributed ledgers in 2016. They presented another convention for associating blockchains. They sent off the Interchain Foundation sometime thereafter to shepherd the advancement of Cosmos. On its underlying contribution, Cosmos brought $16 million up in 2017. Universe sent off the undertaking's underlying rendition and the Cosmos Hub, which was the first blockchain chipping away at the convention, in 2019. Quan, alongside one more early benefactors Achimanian in the wake of going through an exceptionally broadcasted quarrel, drove the Cosmos's establishing colleagues to head out in a different direction with three organizations. Universe actuated IBC by sending off the Stargate redesign. It was a basic venture made interestingly to interface many Cosmos's blockchains. Universe, Atom, price analysis. The Cosmos is exchanging at a cost of $9 buy and buy at an exchanging volume of $1.3 billion. It has a market capitalization of more than $2.6 billion. With a circling supply of more than $286 million tokens, the CON market cap right now positions it as number 30. Consequently, it positions among the top cryptographic forms of money. Crypto Cosmos price prediction. We have anticipated what's to come costs based on their exhibition regarding innovation and usefulness, their extraordinary basics, and their previous cost history. It can change in the future because of unidentifiable conditions. Universe, Atom, price prediction 2022. With the assistance of a few organizations and joint efforts with other blockchains, subsidizing from networks and their network, the crypto market views Atom as an eternity-developing digital currency. In this manner, the expectations at its cost toward the finish of 2022 are very hopeful, and it might arrive at the most exorbitant cost of $40 at that point. Then again, the base cost can be $34, with a typical cost of $37. Universe, Atom, price prediction 2023. As the fortified Atom token administers, controls, and gets the blockchain's network, in view of its foreordained use cases, the token might keep on winning the trust of clients and could acquire extra incomes and security. Subsequently, Atom can have a cost as high as $60 continuously and as low as $52, with a typical exchanging cost of $55.5 over time. Universe, Atom, price prediction 2024. With the